high-end forecasting companies, and the whole buying team was there. They're like, well, isn't that like something we've done like already, like 3 years ago? Because I already shop all over the world. I go to runways in Europe so that we can, so we interpret that for you. We don't do the look of another designer. It's like a famous designer somewhere else. We don't do any of that. We do the originality. We do the original. A lot of designs, this design, the original one was patented, so this is one of the few that hasn't been copied. But a lot of our line bases, frankly, have. It was kind of eye-opening experience when you and I were in Vegas. And also, were you not surprised on how many jewelers that were asking me to, if they can buy one for their mother or, different ones because we're sold out?
But I just love it because you don't copy design. I mean, like, Victoria never says, okay, I'm bringing this and it's an inspiration of da-da-da-da. No, she has designed these pieces for you. And you know what? They're wrapping us up because we're supposed to have one final presentation coming up at 10 o'clock. You gotta be here because we will have the final few, and I know we're busy right now. Bear with us. My producer said, let you know that we at this point have every single size or every single color, and it fits 6.5 up to 8 inches because it comes with the extender. So 6.5 up to 8 inches. We have the silver tone.
I see you.
Whoops, final few, last call in the rose, and then of course we have the yellow available for you. Now,
I'm watching you.
We should not even do this, but we're going to.
I feel like you're going to be a naughty girl.
Well, they said this is the same for our last hour, but look at this. 16 arrows, hand cut, custom cut, cushion shaped ring with that.
Bye-bye.